Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam kung ano yung bipolar disorder, ito po yung condition kung saan meron kang episodes na masaya ka, tapos meron kang episodes bigla babagsak ka na parang depressed
Yes.
na depressed
Bagsak
ka.
talaga.
Bagsak talaga na
Yeah.
parang walang buhay.
Walang buhay,
Walang
hindi ka
buhay.
makagalaw, di ka makakain, di ka makainom ng tubig, di ka
Correct.
makaligo.
Correct.
Nothing.
Correct. So yun yung tinatawag na manic depressive.
Yes.
Ako, kapag nandun ako sa depressive mode, pag gumigising ako sa umaga, pakiramdam ko umuulan, gloomy lahat.
Yes. Parang may filter yung
Parang
vision
may filter,
mo.
parang
Yes.
gray lahat ng kulay.
Everything is gray.
Tapos alam mo namang may kulay yung bahay mo,
Yeah.
pero
Wala.
gloomy siya.
Yeah.
Parang umulan ba? Ganun yung yung
Yes.
pakiramdam ko. And I know na, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
nasa depressive state na ako. Kasi, tapos parang ayaw mo nang bumangon.
Ayaw talaga.
Kasi gloomy ang lahat.
And then your facial muscles, Miss Cara, you feel it also. Para
Yeah.
siyang bagsak, no?
Oo.
Yeah, I
So,
feel that
nangyari sa'yo yun.
Yes, for a very long time, nothing at all. Kung like to the point where natakot yung mom ko na pinapacheck niya ako every almost hour if I'm okay. And then after a while, parang nawala din yun. And biglang, you know what? Sabi ko, okay na ako. Parang excited na ako. Gusto ko na lumabas.
Bigla na lang.
Magja-gym ako. Ganon, yeah. And I was going to the gym every day, 7 days a week at 7 a.m. Lalakad ako doon. Minsan nga sumasayaw ako papuntang gym. Because I have so much energy.
Oo.
Or lalakad lang sa labas, ganyan.
Tapos biglang babagsak ulit.
And then biglang babagsak ulit. Or aawayin ko yung mom ko. Or mag-breakdown ako. Iiyak ako. Nasa sahig ako kasi sobrang wala. The world is crashing around me. And nothing is good. Ganon.
So parang ganun siya, up and down.
Up and down.
Up and down.
Yeah. To the point na parang di na alam ng mom ko kung masaya ba si Inka today? Or is she, aawayin ba niya ako today? And then my sister told me one time, because I was messaging them, super hyper ko na pala. Parang nagsasend ako ng video messages na parang inaano parang, hi. Gumaganon ako sa kanila. And then to me, feeling ko lang na, my God, what a great day it is today. This is so fun. I want to do this. I want to do that. And then my sister messaged me. Sabi niya, are you okay? Are you having an episode? So pumitik ako. Sabi ko, what do you mean episode? Bawal ba akong masaya? Parang, di ba pwedeng happy lang ako today? Kasi parang, I really like dug it into her. Kasi why are you ruining my happiness? And then, wala, inaway ko na sila, ganyan. And then after that, breakdown na naman. And then my mom was like, after a while, she was like, I guess napagod na rin siya. Sabi niya, do you want to see a doctor? So she asked her friend for a recommendation. And then I started seeing my doctor.
At anong sinabi ng doktor?
Anxiety and depression, which is I think one of the yung very common, very basic ano. So I think they start with there. And then so she was treating me for that, but she was like, I want to see you every week. So once a week kami nagkikita to touch in, ganyan. And then after a while she was like, you have bipolar disorder too. I was like, oh my God, I'm one of them. Parang gano'n, I have bipolar. What does that
Baliw
mean?
ako.
Oo, parang I was scared at first.
Oo.
But then also at the same time, sobrang nakahinga ako. I was so relieved because there's finally a name to what was happening to me.
Pag-usapan natin yung part na sabi mo, you were afraid. Bakit ka natakot?
Grabe yung stigma around mental health.
Yeah.
And nag-aalala ako na parang, what if people find out na I'm bipolar? Will it be embarrassing for my mom? Will it affect my work?
Baka wala nang kumuha sa'yo.
May bipolar siya, mahirap kausapin yan. Baka di natin
True.
alam, ganyan-ganyan.
True.
So I was like,
sasabihin ko ba to?
yeah, like, do I talk about this? In the beginning, I didn't. Kasi I was also aware na parang I was in a very delicate place na very volatile pa yung mind ko. So I was thinking, sige, I'll keep it to myself muna hanggang maging mas stable ako. When I know how to talk about it na, then I can talk about it. Kasi I don't want to say something naman din na I don't know what to say.
Totoo yan. I remember nung pumupunta ako sa psychiatrist ko, nagka-cup ako, Mamask ako, nagtatago ako, nakaganito ako. Kasi ayokong makita ako ng mga tao na pumupunta ako sa isang psychiatric ward or psychiatric clinic.
It's
Mawalan
hard
ako
din.
ng trabaho or mabash ako sa social media. Sabihin na,
Ay,
yan,
baliw
baliw
yan.
yan.
Oo.
Oo, yung ganon.
It's terrifying.
It's terrifying kasi yung stigma nandun pa rin.
Oo.
Palaging iniisip na kapag may mental health condition ka, baliw ka.
Yeah.
Oo.
And I think that's the reason why I wanted to talk about it also when I was ready. Kasi gusto kong parang ako yung may control ng narrative na yon. So kung malaman nila na baliw ako, at least ako yung nagsabi. Came from me. And at least yung naririnig nila is the truth. Kasi ako na yung nagsabi sa kanila, this is what I have, this is what I experience, it was like this for me.